Hey there everyone, my name is Kevin. Today we're going to go over a mini tutorial on PyGame where I move the circle when it hits the left boundary to the right side of the boundary. Real simple, let's take it from the top. So in my code, I have a center by X and Y. I put it at 100 by 100, and when I draw my circle, it starts at that center. And when I move, I take that input from PyGame and I only increment the movement by 0.1 whenever the left key is pressed or whenever the right key is pressed. Now there's something important to note. I also added a border. So when X is greater than 0, it won't be able to add it if it doesn't fulfill that conditioning, meaning that when X is actually 0, it stops. That way it doesn't just keep flying off the screen. Okay, so real simple. In order to do this, I just copy this if statement, put it right underneath, and I'm going to change X to just equal 400, meaning that whenever I go to the left, it's going to go to 0, and it's going to appear on the right side because 400 is on the right side of the screen. But there is a condition I have to change, which is when X is less than or equal to 0. Because if I'm moving at such a velocity, I might go past 0, negative, or I might be like 0.01, right? So it might be close to 0, but not exactly, but definitely less than. Once I do that, I'm going to play and run my code, and I always appear on the right side when I get there. So now I'm going to do the opposite side, okay? And I'm just going to copy the right, go down, boom, and this time I'm also going to change X and change it to 0 because it's going right to the left, and I want it whenever it's greater than or equal to 400. And I want you guys to kind of see what's happening behind the bigger picture. So what I'm going to print X here, and I'm also going to print X above line 43, and I am going to press play to run it again and check what happens. Every time I go past 0, it's actually negative or -2, and every time I go to the right, it's 400 or a little bit more than 400. So that's a good thing to notice. So if I put exactly 400, there's a small chance that I'm just going to hit it a couple of times. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you liked it, check out the rest of the playlist, and comment below if you want to see something specific. Take care and have a good one.